Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites and taking immediate, concrete steps. Clone the repository and switch to the target branch, then install JDK and your build tool. Once done, add browser drivers and Selenium bindings for your language. Create a minimal project skeleton with src, tests, and resources directories, and include a CI file and a test runner like testng or JUnit. Make sure credentials and environment configs are in place. This prevents false starts and gets you writing first automated interactions quickly. Next, focus on the core implementation. Design resilient locators and implement page object models so maintenance stays easy. Once your page objects exist, add clear action methods and separate assertion helpers to keep tests readable. Implement robust synchronization using explicit waits and fluent wait instead of fixed sleeps. Make retries for flaky steps configurable. Also wire up data-driven execution using fixtures or parameterization so the same test covers multiple cases. This structure improves reliability and makes debugging and scaling straightforward. Finally, integrate and execute tests through CI, enabling parallel runs and storing logs, screenshots, and test artifacts. Once runs complete, analyze failures. Review logs, attach screenshots or videos, and reproduce locally. If tests fail intermittently, mark them flaky, add retries sparingly, and prioritize fixes in page objects or timing. Make sure cleanup is idempotent so each run starts fresh. One key troubleshooting tip. When a test is unstable, capture a full browser trace and compare DOM snapshots to find timing or locator drift quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.